It's a family business. We have a great team. We love working together, and our main emphasis is boating safety. We're in the Chesapeake Bay, and we work very closely with all of our local agencies. We work with the Natural Resources Police, the U.S. Coast Guard, and a lot of our local volunteer fire departments.
What brings me the most pride and the reason I love what I do is helping people. The most common reason for getting a call from a TowBoatUS member is typically engine failure.
We also get a lot of battery jumps, soft ungroundings, and fuel drops.
The most important piece of safety equipment a boater should have on board is a life jacket.
It doesn't matter whether you can swim, accidents happen quickly, and a life jacket's gonna save your life.
I would say second is going to be a fire extinguisher.
I think it's very important to have flares aboard and a carbon monoxide monitor.
Any boater that doesn't have those items is really selling themselves short.
Equally as important is knowing before you depart the ramp or the dock what the weather and the tides are going to be. So checking your local marine forecast and checking it hour by hour. We're 24/7. There's 600 plus TowBoatUS boats around the country. So really wherever you boat, you're covered. To know that we're able to change someone's day and help them enjoy boating and get them back on the water, it brings us the most excitement and pride.
I tell people now that even though this may be a bad day, we're going to get you home safely, and it's very quiet and serene. Try to enjoy it because it can actually turn a bad day good, and I think that's kind of important.